Do your creative projects ever feel everywhere? Sticky notes here, voice memos there, screenshots, notebooks, ideas in 5 different places, maybe 10. If you're living in creative clutter, calm is closer than you think. Hi, I'm Dawn. Welcome to Blossom and Stitch Studio, where ideas bloom and creativity comes together. Today, I'm sharing something I've been building behind the scenes, the Blossom Blueprint, my simple system for moving from creative clutter to clarity to calm. I used to wonder why I felt so overwhelmed, even when my space didn't technically look messy, but it just wasn't aligned. The wall color, the artwork, the vibe, it didn't feel like the calm, creative space I wanted to work in. And honestly, I didn't realize how much it affected me until I changed it. And on top of that, my ideas were scattered everywhere. My iPhone, my iPad, my iMac, sticky notes, screenshots, 3 different notebooks, you name it. And because my brain moves rather quickly, as do my words, so if you're a fast talker and you're good company, having everything scattered made me feel overstimulated really fast. It wasn't that I couldn't be creative, it's that I didn't have a rhythm to hold my creativity. That's where the Blossom Blueprint comes in. It's built around one simple transformation, clutter to clarity to calm. And the way we get there is through 3 gentle phases: capture, clarify, and cultivate. Let me show you how they work. Phase 1 is capture. Capture used to be the hardest part for me. Not because I couldn't catch ideas, but because I was capturing them everywhere. And for a fast-moving creative brain, that kind of scattering creates even more overwhelm. Trust me, I've lived in screenshot chaos. So now, inside the Blossom Blueprint, I keep capture incredibly simple. 1 primary capture home and 1 backup. My primary home is my Notes app. It's always with me. It syncs across every device, and unlike my notebooks, I can actually read what I wrote later. My backup, a quick voice memo if I'm driving, tired, or just not near a keyboard. Then, once a week during my Clarify reset, I move everything important into Notes. 2 places total, not 6, not 10. And the difference it makes is huge. Now phase 2 is Clarify. Clarify is where everything starts to feel lighter. Once a week, usually a Friday or Saturday, I look at everything I captured and simply make sense of it. Not perfectly, not obsessively, just enough so I understand what I have. I sort ideas into categories like YouTube, publishing, digital products, creative projects, admin, and life. Clarify is a bridge between clutter and calm. It's a moment where my brain stops buzzing and starts breathing again. It's like a little creative deep breath. Now phase 3 is Cultivate. Cultivate is where the magic happens. This is where I choose 1 main creative project to nurture for the week. And then pick 2 tiny tasks that support it. Not 10 priorities, not 5 big projects, just 1 intention I'm growing. And this is what creates creative calm. It's how projects actually move forward without burning out. And honestly, the part that keeps me from trying to do everything all at once, which is usually what I do. This system works because it supports how fast-thinking, idea-filled, creative brains really function. Capture protects your flow, Clarify protects your mind, and Cultivate protects your energy. And together, they take you from clutter to clarity to calm every single week. Just to show you how powerful it is when your environment matches your intention. This wasn't a cleanup for Makeover, it was an alignment makeover. Before, things were fine, but they just didn't feel calm or creative or the kind of space I wanted to grow into. Now, with the color palette that finally feels like me, new artwork, and a place for everything, my whole creative energy feels different. It's not about perfection, it's about creating a space that holds, that supports your clarity. If you want to bring more clarity and calm into your creative life, make sure you subscribe. This is just the beginning of the Blossom Blueprint series. So, what's 1 creative idea you're excited to grow this week? Tell me below.